Hello guys, what's up? In this video I am going to show you some tricks that will definitely boost up your PC performance. It doesn't matter which version of Windows you are using, it's only for Windows users. You will surely get some FPS boost and can reduce your CPU and RAM usage. Let me first tell you that we can also optimize our PC for gaming rather than only optimizing the games. This is the first part of PC optimization series. Check out all videos to make your low-end PC capable of handling your high-end games. Without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. Go to Computer Properties, Advanced Settings, Performance tab, then choose Custom and turn on only those settings which I have. Now open msconfig. Go to Boot tab, Advanced Settings, turn on Number of Processors, and select the maximum number showing. In my case it's 2. Now open Performance Monitor. Go to Data Collection Sets and choose User Defined. Create new data collector set and name it. And follow my steps carefully. Download this application, link in description. It will not take your PC performance, it will clear the dump file and lower the RAM usage. Let me tell you that this is the first part of PC optimization series. There are many ways to optimize a PC. I can't cover every single method in a single video. If your PC is boosted, then like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.